Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is updated and supports cloud save. This avoids version conflicts. Next, open Settings and choose the Cloud or Account Link option so you can authorize a provider like Google or Apple ID. That link creates the remote slot for your data. Once done, grant storage and network permissions when prompted so the game can read and write saves. Make sure to note which account you used. That matters for later restores and prevents accidental overwrites. Now you upload your local progress. Open Cloud Save and choose Upload or Sync to push your local save to the server. You should see a confirmation message and a timestamp. Check that timestamp and the reported file size so you know the correct snapshot was stored. Once uploaded, perform a second quick sync to confirm consistency. This prevents partial saves when connectivity fluctuates. If the app offers conflict resolution, choose the newer timestamp, unless you intentionally want to revert to an older state. To finish, restore on any device by signing into the same linked account, opening Cloud Save, and selecting Download or Restore. Confirm that you want to overwrite local data. If you see mismatched timestamps or unexpected progress, pause and export a local backup first so you can recover if needed. If problems persist, make sure you are logged into the correct account, update the game, clear the app cache, and retry the sync. One tip: reauthorize the account if permissions changed. This often fixes stubborn sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.